the side plank raise. So we're going to start with the basic version of the side plank raise, and that's as supported as we can possibly be. And that is going to be with your knees elevated and your hands, both hands on the ground. So pop yourself up. Oops, try not to break your couch. So you can see in this position my knees are bent. I'm resting my knees on the couch, and I'm just going to drop my hips down and up, down and up. So in this position, we've shortened the lever just a little bit so that it's a little bit more accessible for everyone. Now, if you're struggling to put all your weight on one arm, you can support down here. It's not quite as effective, I don't think, but can be done there. Ideally, you want to be up, only resting on one arm. The more aggressive version is going to be with your feet on the couch, resting. Still in this position, you want to be split in your feet, so you've got a lot of stability, coming down and then up, down and then up. To make it harder again, feet go on top of each other, down and up, down and up. And then last version is the wobbly version with one foot in the air. They are your side plank raises.